Are you maths lead at your school? Come with me to explore the maths tools and resources in Purple Mash that can support excellent teaching and learning in mathematics from nursery to year 6. Let's start by diving into the early years area of Mini-Mash and exploring the numbers and counting resources which support the early learning goals for your reception and nursery children. There are collections of interactive games and activities that focus on different mathematical concepts such as numbers, counting, ordering, measurement, shape, position, and direction. Maths City is a brilliant application in which children can explore early years mathematical concepts in a fun and interactive way. To find out how the maths resources in Mini-Mash meet the early years framework expectations, teachers can access detailed mapping documents from the teachers area. Let's come out of Mini-Mash, back into Purple Mash, and dive into the maths curriculum area from the homepage. In here, you will find an extensive selection of pre-made maths activities, quizzes, and games organised into the strands of number, geometry and shape, measure, and statistics. Within each strand, the activities are organised into sub-strands and then into age groupings. By scrolling over each activity, you can read a short overview of the learning that activity covers. These activities can be used with a whole class as a maths lesson warm-up or plenary, or they could be set as to-dos for individuals or specific groups of children to complete independently. Speaking of maths warm-up activities, in the Tool 2 challenge, which is found in the Teachers area in the Tools tab here, there are dozens of pre-made maths ideas to get your class thinking. You can choose which of these number options are best for your class, and then down the left-hand side you will see a number of different pre-made examples that you can play to display on the board. Children could perhaps complete these using a small whiteboard or in an exercise book. Practicing basic operational skills is lots of fun using the maths games, which can be set as classwork or homework activities. The multiplication table check and monster multiplication games will prepare your children for the multiplication times table check at the end of year 4. All of the maths games can be set as repeating tasks so that children can be practicing regularly to build mastery over time. Scores and results of all the maths games are visible via the data dashboard, which can assist teachers in gap analysis for their class. From the Teachers Area Planning tab, teachers in England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland can see how the resources in Purple Mash map to the objectives from their country's curriculum. Teachers can select their year level and strand to see the suggested resources for each objective. Let's dive now into the maths tools area, which enable children to create pictograms, create and compare line, block, bar and pie charts using single or multiple data sets. Using ToCalculate, our super spreadsheet tool, children can analyze data, create number activities and perform functions. With ToQuestion, children can create branching databases using words, pictures, and sounds. ToInvestigate is a powerful collaborative database tool that enables children to practice searching, sorting, and filtering data. And ToDesign and Make is a simple 3D modeling tool in which children can explore computer-aided design to create nets of 3D objects and shapes. Let's now look at how Purple Mash can support you in your role as Maths Lead by diving into the Maths Leaders Toolkit. This is an extensive collection of tools and resources such as tips for Maths Leads, action plan templates, maths policy exemplars, and a self-evaluation tool for you to assess the key areas of your leadership. You could use the pupil voice and staff survey documents to help you understand the experiences of all the stakeholders in your school. If you would like to book a one-to-one chat to talk with one of our expert teachers, click to book a MASH chat via the Professional Development tab. We would love to support you and your staff in getting the most out of Purple Mash in your school.